Maz, Mummy's got a cough. Do you have a cough? That's a long cough. Has you got a cough as well again? Mummy's got a cough again. You funny baby.